ಚಂದನಚಾಚಿತ ನೀಲಕಳೆ ಬರ ಚಂದನಚಾಚಿತ ನೀಲಕಳೆ ಬರ
The exquisite piece of craftsmanship is the scene of Radha Krishna in the full moon night of Sharat season. It is a completely spiritual performance. Adorning himself with the choicest flowers of the season, Krishna and Radha are blessing the Gopikas of Vrindavan. With his favorite wooden flute, Krishna keeps Radha and other Gopikas of Vrindavan in a trance. He enjoys playing the flute in different notes with Radha by his side. The scene is highly romantic. The amorous mood in which Krishna and Radha are is very well sculptured in the figures. The intense love and joy Krishna and Radha experience is emanated in the whole surroundings. The birds, the animals, the plants and even gods and goddesses are all assembled there, highly enwrapped in the romantic mood. The artist has very well identified each and every minute detail in these images. The festive atmosphere, the playing of flute, the flowering plants and creepers add to the beauty of the images. The intense delight experienced by Radha on that occasion has been translated into life by the artist. The beautifully carved art figures with their curves and expressions make the scene highly romantic and lustful. The scene of Rasa dance carved here in this artistic form is so lifelike. The birds, the bees and insects attracted by the fragrance emanating from the blooming flower are presented in a very artistic style. In the image, Krishna and Radha adorned with flower garlands of vibrant colors. Lotus flower, tender leaves and peacock feathers look ornamental and jubilant. The beautiful eyes resemble lotus petals and convey his intense desire to bless the devotees. The birds, bees and insects attracted by the fragrance emanating from the blooming flower are presented in a very artistic style. The whole atmosphere looks idyllic in the moonlit night of Sharat season. So, the scene of Rasa dance is like a silver lining among the black clouds in the mind of the present-day man who is caught in the turmoils of life. Carved from sandalwood, it takes 4 to 5 craftsmen, anything from 4 to 8 months, to create just one piece. Give your home that oriental look. The pieces are all handmade by skilled craftsmen who are master carvers.
मुक्तवधूनिगरे विलासिनी विलसति किलिपर्री
Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
It is the divine concept of Shiva and Shakti that is portrayed here. Shiva and Shakti are complementary to each other. Without Shakti, Shiva cannot engage himself in the creation of the universe. The universe has its origin from Shakti, represented here by Parvati Devi.
Namah Shivaya.
According to the Upanishads, in the beginning there was only the Purusha or Paramatma. When Purusha wanted to have many forms, Parvati Devi, in the form of Shakti, came out of Purusha and created the universe.
Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Only with the presence of Shakti, creation, preservation and destruction of the universe is possible.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namo Narayanaya.
Dasavataram, the 10 incarnations of Mahavishnu.
Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya.
The sculpture of Gandharva, the musician of paradise, has been carved well. The pieces are all handmade by skilled craftsmen who are master carvers. For us, quality is not a formality, but an expression of our hard work and dedication. We possess dexterous craftsmen to provide the best products with exotic designs, who has complete understanding of customer requirements. Our customer have developed immense confidence in our owing to our capability to deliver products in a stipulated time limit.